Hello children, welcome to your GK class. So children, today we are going to learn about the chapter number 13. Name of the chapter is Going Nuts. After that we will learn the chapter number 15 and the name of the chapter is Facts for You. Children, please note that we will not be doing chapter number 8, 12 and 14. So let's start. So children, open your page number 245 in your Fusion textbook. Okay, so the first chapter that we are going to learn is Going Nuts. So children, I know you all are aware of the nuts. Yes, I know you love it. Yes, everyone love it. So there is a one more uh, importance of the nuts is that they are very good for our health, so you should try and eat some nuts every day. Okay, so let's come to the chapter. The first nuts that we are going to learn is almonds. So children, almonds which we all are love it, and their taste and everything, correct. And we also used almonds in a dessert recipes. Yes, and we you also know that we use the almond hair oil because it is very good for our hair too, correct. So almonds is very good for our health, so try to eat it. Okay, and the next type of walnut nuts is walnuts. So children, walnut is very hard from the outer, yes, but it is very soft, yes, and tasty. Yeah, correct. Then what is some other uses of the walnuts? Yes, we love it. Walnut ice cream. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So the third type of the nuts is cashew nuts. Children, we love the taste of the cashew nuts, and cashew nuts have, it is also very good for our health. Okay, it is very also very good for our health. Next type of the nuts is pistachio. Pistachio is also very good for our health, so try it at your home. Okay, and the next type of nuts is hazelnuts. Yes, hazelnut is a type of a nuts which is used to in coffee. Okay, the one type of the taste of the type of a coffee is made up of hazelnuts. Okay, next type of peanuts. We all are aware of the peanuts. There is a large number of uses of the peanuts. The first uses is that we eat it as a raw. Yes or no? Yes, we also use the oil of the peanuts as a edible oil. It means we cook food in the uh, peanuts oil. Okay, and the third type of the use of peanuts is that we also make some vegetable recipes with the help of the peanuts, correct. Now the next type of nuts is pecan. Pecan is also very good for our health. So try it at your home or try to eat it. Okay. And the last type of nuts is pine nuts. It is also very good for our health and various type of uses. Okay. So in this chapter, we learn the various type of the nuts and their uses. Okay. Now coming to the next chapter. The next chapter is Facts for You. So children, in this chapter, some interesting facts is given. You have to learn it, understand it, and memorize it. Yes. So the first fact is that our planet Earth is called the blue planet because when we see from space, it is in blue color. This is because all the water we have on the Earth. Okay, so why we called our Earth as a blue planet? You know that? Yes, because suppose when we divide the earth in four equal parts, the three parts of the earth is filled with water. Yes, and when we take the picture from the sky, when we take the picture from the space, then it looks like blue. Okay, that's why we called it as a blue planet. Okay, and the next fact is that the stars in the sky from patterns. when you look at the sky at night, see if you can spot some patterns. Now it's homework for you, okay? In the night, you have to find out some patterns in the sky, okay? So student, when we see in the sky in the night, we saw some different type of patterns, okay? It's a homework for you. Find out some pattern, okay? Now the next fact is that cucumber are actually fruit, not vegetable. So what do you think about that? Yes, cucumber is a fruit or a vegetable. So children, this is a very interesting facts for you that you have to remember it, that cucumber is a fruits. Okay, why we called it as a fruits? Because yes, because inside there is a seed and we get the cucumber with from the flower, okay? And that's why we called it as a fruits, not vegetable. Okay. And and the fourth fact is that the faster growing plant on the earth is the bamboo. Remember, this is a very interesting fact that the fastest growing plant on the earth is the bamboo. Yes, correct. After that, next one. Okay. So next one is that elephants sing to stay in their groups. They singing, but we are not able to hear it. Okay. They sing for living because they want to stay in their group, and for staying in their group they sing. Okay, and we are not able to hear that type of sounds. Okay, and the next type of fact is that a hippopotamus is very big in size, but it can run faster than human beings. Can you imagine that the hippopotamus, which is very big in size, yes, from us, very big in size compared to human beings, but they can run faster than us. It's very interesting, na? Yes, so learn it. Okay, and the next type of fact is that human beings have 206 bones. The longest bone is in the thigh bone and the smallest is inside our ear. See, this is so our human body is made up of how many bones? 206. 206 bones. Yes, and the longest bone is found in our thigh and the smallest in inside of our ear. So children, it is also very interesting fact. So learn it, okay, or memorized it. Now the next fact is that warm water can become ice faster than normal or cold water. Okay, so it means when we want to make the ice faster, when you want it to become ice very faster, then what you have to do? You can use warm water at the place of normal or cold water. Okay, so use it. It's a very good fact. Okay, next one is a snail can sleep for 3 years. Oh my god, can you imagine? Snail can sleep for 3 years. Wow, that's great for a snail, not for us. Okay, you have to come school, do your work and everything. So you have to sleep only for 12 hours or 8 or 9 hours. Okay, but the snail can sleep for 3 years. Okay. Now coming to the last fact that the bones of the birds are hollow to reduce their body weight. So there is a this is the bones of birds which is hollow. It means inside of the bone there is nothing. Okay, there is nothing inside of the bone. Okay, so why the birds have the hollow bones? Because it reduce their body weight and it help in their flying. Yes, because birds have to fly, so that's why they have the hollow bone, that's and which reduce their body weight, which helps in their flying. Okay children, any doubt? So no, so these are the some facts which you have to learn. Okay, memorize it, learn it and understand it, and do follow in your daily activities. Okay, children? So in this video, we learn about the two chapters, that is nuts and facts for you. Okay, so children, now this is the homework for you, that you have to complete your all chapters of GK. Okay, complete it and start learn. Okay, so next session will be our Zoom session, in which I'll take the revision of chapter number 1, 2 and 3. So everyone, be prepared and complete your work. Okay.